In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for free. Semrush is an incredibly powerful tool for digital marketing, offering insights and analytics that can help you optimize your online presence. While it usually requires a subscription, there are ways to explore its features without any upfront costs, and I'm going to guide you through this process step by step. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, just go ahead and get it up and running. Type Semrush into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results, but you're going to want to click on the official Semrush site. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, the key phrase to look out for is "Try for free" or "Start your free trial." This is your gateway to accessing Semrush's abundant resources without committing financially from the outset. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your details. You can sign up using your email address and create a password, or, if you prefer a quicker route, you can use your Google account to register. Both methods are secure, so pick whichever feels most convenient for you. After this initial step, you'll be asked to enter a bit more information to activate the full features of the trial. This includes your credit card details. Now, don't let this part dissuade you. Semrush requires a credit card to verify your identity and will perform a small $1 authorization charge, but rest assured, this will be refunded promptly. It's a common practice to prevent misuse and ensure that users are real and distinct. With these essentials in place, you're now ready to dive into the platform. By signing up for a free account or initiating a trial, you gain access to Semrush's set of tools to begin optimizing your digital landscape. Whether it's checking out how your website is performing in search engines, analyzing your competitors' strategies, or exploring new keywords to improve your SEO, the free version provides a vast array of features to get you started. Take some time to navigate through the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the analytics, and discover the numerous ways you can leverage this data. It may seem a bit overwhelming at first due to the wealth of information available, but taking it one step at a time always helps. Don't be afraid to explore features, as the free trial gives you a perfect opportunity to learn and experiment without any rush or pressure. That's all for today. You're now ready to harness the power of Semrush and begin optimizing your online strategies. Keep exploring and learning, and soon you'll discover how invaluable this tool can be for your digital marketing endeavors. Enjoy your exploration with Semrush, and make sure to check back for more tips and insights.